Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ki Nongialam ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee henne kasngi habakren bat kinong tho khobor. Habakli halor ka jingpene so biang u Dr. Mukul cheka Congress kiloong bakim don ban ong lagi kentat ni ki pedang. Kiloong ru bahadu menta kim padyo jingtip halor kani uskatri ka AIC Matthew Anthony uloong baka jingkwa wan rung seng biang u Dr. Mukul yo ka de ka khubor bashu muddur namar u Dr. Mukul umpat pha jingtho syaka seng. Uloong bana kalyang kaseng kamdon jingtip halor ka jingkwa rung biang u Dr. Mukul sangma. Katbana kalyang ka working president ke MPCC ka Dibora Marak kalaong ba u Dr. Mukul sangma daladehi uloong badalile ngam wan Phai shu syaka seng Congress. Kumno an wan Phai biang kini baro kidei tanggi khubor hamsaya.
Nobody, we can neither deny nor accept because till now he has not met any one of our members. Okay, maybe that might be assumption, presumption, we don't know. Maybe that's just blowing in the wind.
So my answer to that is Mukul Sarma, whether he has come to us or not, as an AICC representative, I have not received any calls from him. And I have not received any message from any one of my seniors also about this. But at least it answers your question whether Congress is coming back. You know how Mukul Sarma is. If rumors are saying that he is trying to come back, it definitely shows that the people of Meghalaya are thinking of Congress to come back. Else nobody will think of coming back to Congress. So that's a compliment for us, but we don't know anything officially about it. That's what it is.
Your doors are not closed. Your doors are not closed.
Let Madhav speak.
You people are confusing us. Mukul Sarma himself, he has given statement that he will never come back to the Congress. Why you go and ask Dr. Mukul Sarma? Why you are asking?
There are indications from top leaders in Delhi.
He himself spoke. No?
But there are some rumors or speculation that he has already met some top leaders in Delhi.
We don't know.
Why? Probably discussing it.
So, Saleh, I'll just clarify it. If something officially has to happen, there's a senior in charge called Dr. Rkhie, who is my boss, reporting boss. And if there is something like that, then the AICC senior leadership will discuss with him. And eventually we will have an internal discussion. For which, I can say that nothing of that sort has happened till date. And as she rightly said, since it is concerning with Sri Mukul, the former CM, I will be asking.
The doors are not closed.
Mukul is your friend.
Why the door should be closed? Come on.
No, Congress party, the biggest advantage of the Congress party is we don't have a door. That's why people, when you saw that it is going out, no?
It's too totally open.
Yeah, we are an open party. We are a very democratic party. We listen to the schemes of the MPCC also. And we were subjected to schemes also. So that's fine.
Anything?
Anything else?
Anything else?